Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to take a look at an easy way for attorneys to review pre-bills in a paperless environment. Reviewing pre-bills digitally involves the following process. Create and email a PDF file of the draft statements for each timekeeper. Then, the timekeeper can add comments for edits and email the PDF back to the office staff. And finally, the office staff can make the edits so that they can generate final statements. Let's start by taking a look at how to save your pre-bills as PDFs. For this example, we'll be using draft statements to generate our pre-bills. However, similar functionality is available when using the Detail Work in Process report as well. From the Quick Launch, click Generate Statements. On the Client tab, you can specify the timekeeper that you want to create pre-bills for as the primary timekeeper. If you want to generate statements for all timekeepers and sort by primary timekeeper, leave these fields blank. Various PDF output options are available on the Sort tab to generate PDFs using sort criteria. Next, enter any other criteria by which you normally filter clients, including billing frequencies or status. On the Transactions tab, you can optionally specify a date range for this statement run. For this example, we'll leave the date range blank to make sure that all unbilled time is included. On the Options tab, be sure that Draft is selected and optionally change the statement date. Select the Print Reference Numbers checkbox so that reference numbers are included next to each transaction. This makes it easy to locate a transaction if you decide to make edits using the entry windows. On the Sort tab, we'll leave the primary timekeeper report order selected and change the output to separate PDF for each sort so that a PDF will be generated for each primary timekeeper included in the statement run. You can optionally create a report definition by clicking the Save button. Report definitions can save you time by loading the selected criteria on a future statement run. When ready, click OK to generate statements. A print dialog will be displayed, allowing you to choose your print option. We recommend using Dropbox, which temporarily saves the statements as a PDF to the Dropbox window. From here, you can easily email the file to each attorney or save the PDFs to different locations for review. Simply select the PDF you want to send and click the Email button. A new email message will open in your default email program with the selected file in the Attachments field. When the attorney receives the PDF, they can add notes or edit the PDF with changes they want using Adobe Acrobat Reader. There are many ways to edit a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader. One easy way to add comments is to highlight the text that needs to be edited and use the right-click menu to add a comment. Other helpful features include adding a sticky note, using the strike-through feature, or using the pencil tool. Other PDF editing software includes similar functionality. Once the attorneys have reviewed and returned the edited PDFs, you can generate statements again based on the same criteria to make the changes. If you created a report definition, simply click the Load button and select it from the list. Then, preview the statements. Viewing the attorney's edited PDF and the statement preview side by side makes it easy to match up the PDF edits with the preview. If edits do need to be made on any transaction, you can easily drill down to the original transaction by clicking on the description. After making the change and saving, you can click the Refresh button on the statement preview to include the change. Alternatively, you can open Fee or Cost entry and look up the transaction that needs to be edited by the reference number included on the pre-bill. This makes it easy to quickly locate the transaction using the reference field. Once all the edits have been entered, you're ready to run your statements in Final and send them out to your clients as you normally would. Thanks for watching. See you next time.